Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another beautiful day. Another beautiful day. And I hope you're having a great, very great Wednesday morning. Welcome to Power Plays Palace. I am your host, Jay Boogie. So let's get this thing started. Uh, so on your screen right now, you're looking at the SPY chart, which we cover here daily at Power Plays Palace. And as you can see, on yesterday, at the market open, right here. Let me slide this chart over here. Around 9:30, the SPY reacted downward, came down, and created an all new low, breaking through the low, the previous day's low, and getting all the way down to 626.19. Now, there are times in the market, and let me pull up my chart so I can show you what I had up, my levels. All right. So what we talked about yesterday morning was the potential for the market to go up based on the pre-market high, which it had previously reached. By the time the market opened, it had already came down below that, but it was still pretty high, and you still had potential for it to grow. But we targeted all the way up to 632. We never got anywhere close to that because of what happened at the open. Um, but if you look at the bearish side, you can see that the market actually opened lower than our charts or our projections had indicated. And that was because of a couple things that happened in the pre-market in the previous day that caused this. But what really happened was the Fed chairman spoke, and usually whenever the Fed chairman speaks, what happens is the market reacts to it. And I think he spoke yesterday morning about 9:30, right around the time the market opened. You got an immediate reaction down, and really invalidated my chart. Unless you was in puts and you saw that pre-market and you jumped in those puts and you rolled that all the way down. But if you looked at the chart and looked at what we had on the chart, you still had the opportunity to make some good trades on the way back up, because once it came down and established a new low, let me show you that. Once it came down and established a new low, pulled back and came down and established and touched it again and bounced off, it started to move back up. Now on our charts, if you turned on the auto trend lines, I have mine set on the 5 minute chart. What we're looking at now, I know I jumped right into this 5 minute chart today because this third day of the week, we've set our levels, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna touch on the levels that we need to set from yesterday. But I wanted you to see how the market kind of reacted to these other levels that were already established from previous days, so you can get a good look at what we mean when we talking about back testing. And the market usually does the same thing. Whenever it pulls back, it goes back and retests and come back. You can clearly see that going on in this chart right here. But when the market opened on yesterday right here, it reacted down, came down and touched the previous day's low. Then it bounced off that trend line that we talked about yesterday.